I'm what you'd call a novice steelheader, but I'm definitely addicted to it. It's a pretty amazing fish in a pretty amazing location. I'm here at the banks of the Bulkley River in Telkwa, and this is my last day here for this trip. It's always a bit of a funny day. I get up in the morning on my last day, and this is like anywhere, and I just want to be home. I mean, I've had a wonderful, wonderful trip, but yeah, family, my beautiful wife, they are calling hard, not physically, but in my heart here, and yet this is just so incredibly beautiful. So I'm going to have one last fish here, and then hit the road. So here's my fly, here's the river. Let's see if I can catch a steelhead.